Guys, today we're driving the 1966 Mustang. It's a 289 small block automatic. It's a nice driving car. It's gone through a recent restoration. Everything on the exterior of the car is brand new. All the chrome, all the fixtures, all the emblems, the grille, the paint, the vinyl top. It's got newer, modern looking wheels on it. Really set the car off nice. It's got a good sounding exhaust. I don't know if you guys hear it in the video. This is a great car. It's kind of a cloudier day. Hope in the video you can see the clouds shining off the hood there. This is a really cool car. It's got a brand new teak steering wheel in it. If you guys want any more information on this car, give us a call at the showroom or go to our website, survivor-cars.com. If you got any comments you want to leave, just leave them there underneath the video.